Today we'll be talking about the nature of the economic problem. So what is economic problem? Economic problem is when there is unlimited wants and that exceeds the limited resources. This is due to scarcity. Needs are the things needed to survive, such as water, shelter, and food. On the other hand, wants are the things that aren't so important for survival. Now let's talk about the types of goods. So there are two types of goods. The first is the economic goods. These are goods and services that require scarce resources and therefore they are an opportunity cost. Examples of economic goods are cars and clothing. The second type of goods are free goods, and these are goods and services that doesn't require resources and is available in an abundance. Example of free goods are sunshine and water, but not drinking water because it's been through processes to make it drinkable, and this process requires energy or resources. In economics, to determine whether a product is a free good is whether it takes resources to produce it, not whether people have to pay for it. So let's say a company gives away toys. These toys are not free goods because they require resources to produce it.